Hey, welcome back to my video. Despite of all the promises I've made in the past to be regular with regards to creating content and getting in touch with you, somehow I just missed this basic idea of the idea that you need to talk to me and I need to talk to you, or we both need to get in touch with one another. In this video, as the thumbnail suggests, I'm going to talk about this ball, and the reason why this ball bounces is because it's round, it's lightweight, and it can bounce on glass table just out of the context. This ball has got nothing to do with the content of my video, but a takeaway here is, if you want to survive in the hostile or the hardest of the circumstances, you got to be flexible enough to adjust in that environment. That is what World Economic Forum suggests in top soft skills of 2025. Be adjustable. And those who can adjust themselves to any sort of circumstances, just like this ball does, they're more tailor-made to withhold or all the storm that may come their way and sail through the process. One of the reasons why people fail is because they miss this basic idea of curiosity that leads them to explore something, and in the process they elevate their journey. Curiosity, if it is coupled up with two more C's, it itself is an amazing recipe, foolproof formula of success. And under curiosity, commitment and consistency. As Denzel Washington says, without commitment, you cannot start. But without consistency, you cannot finish. So curiosity leads you to these two C's. You got to be committed to your cause, to your task, to your goals and aspirations, and then consistency. Despite of the fact that some days are good and some days are not so good, you do not give up. Despite of the fact that external circumstances are not in your favor, the economic problems, the weather, nothing is in your control. As a matter of fact, it's beyond your control. And once you let go, letting go is one amazing method of living life that is full of happiness. Happiness means you got to enjoy the process. But when you talk about happiness, until and unless you are disciplined enough. See, I got you confused, just like this bouncing ball, the starting of my video. Let me make it easy for you. Without curiosity, you cannot achieve the goal you want to put on the paper. But without commitment, you can't start. Without consistency, you can't finish. And without being disciplined, you just cannot get on that road that leads you to achieve your goals. It's as simple as that. 3 C's and 1 D. That's what life is all about. As far as this ball is concerned, it had nothing to do with this video. I keep on repeating this. But the process, when you are adjustable, when you make yourself comfortable in whatsoever the environment and the circumstances is, those individuals are far better destined to succeed than those who cannot adjust to different environments. Be curious enough, my friends. It itself is a recipe of success that leads you to your destination. But you can only achieve your goals once you are disciplined.